Hello everyone, welcome to the Currency and Commodity Buzz. We'll be taking over the review for the month of April and the outlook for the month of May. This is Gaurang Somaya, your FX analyst, and first starting with the domestic pair, we have seen that rupee as such has been consolidating in a range of 81.50 and 83 for the past few weeks, and we've seen that the weakness in the dollar index has led to some bit of appreciation in the currency. Overall, on the domestic front, we've seen that reserves have been on the rise. It seems that the RBI continues to intervene and they've been building up their FX reserves. Currently, they stand close to $586 billion, and that's the highest level since July 2022. We are going to keep an eye on the inflation numbers, and at the same time on the global front, the central bank policy statements will be in focus, which is likely to trigger that volatility for the currency. So overall, the global cues will continue to influence the dollar rupee pair rather than these domestic factors. Now talking about the global currencies, first starting with the dollar index, we have seen that the dollar index weakened by about 5%. We've seen that inflation has come in at around 5% as compared to the previous month's number close to 6%. And this month the focus is going to be on the FOMC policy statement, wherein the central bank is expected to raise rates by 25 basis points. The overall commentary is going to be in focus, and if the commentary is dovish, we could see further weakness coming in the dollar index. Apart from the Fed, we are also going to keep an eye on the CPI number, and at the same time retail sales number is also going to be in focus. Now looking at the major crosses, we've seen that euro and pound both have seen a good up move. First talking about the euro USD pair, we've seen that the broader weakness in the dollar has been one of the major reasons which is supporting the currency. In the upcoming meeting, the ECB is expected to raise rates by 25 basis points. The officials suggest that they are also going to be data dependent, a similar outlook as the Fed has been having. And if we look at the pound, that has been one of the best performing currencies of 2023. It's close to a 10-month high, and we are going to see that the BOE also would be raising rates by 25 basis points. Inflation definitely has been a concern in the UK. The latest number suggests that it's close to 10.1% as compared to a 9% in the previous month. And we are seeing that inflation in the UK is more of a concern as compared to the Eurozone. But overall, the central bank policy statements and the economic numbers will continue to be in focus, but our bias for both these major crosses will continue to be on the positive side. So to summarize our outlook for the currencies, we could see the dollar rupee pair trading in a broader range of 81.50 and 82.50. So unless and until this range is not taken out, we might not see a clear trend coming in for the currency. In case of the dollar index, we expect that the overall momentum will be on the downside. Any rallies towards that 103, 103.50 could be capped, and we could again see the dollar index sliding below that 100 mark. In case of the other major crosses like the euro and pound, we expect the momentum to be on the positive side, and buying on dips would be the strategy that would be recommended. For more such updates, subscribe to Motilal Oswal.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.